Hello everybody, in this session MEP Revit tips we will talk about how to connect two pipes automatically without drawing in 3D view. So as you see here we have different elevations and just we will do three steps to connect them. The first one, select the two pipes, then go to modify, we will find here routing solutions, so we will click on this and Revit give us 7 solutions as you see here. So the final step is to choose what is the best for you. So let's take example this connection. We will click on finish and fine shaded. So this is the solution, the results.